Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to create a chart in PowerPoint. Let's open up PowerPoint by clicking on the Start button. Go into All Programs. Find Microsoft Office. I opened Excel. My mouse is acting up. Click on the Start. Go to All Programs. Microsoft Office. Let's open PowerPoint. Now here's our default slide. I'm just going to say in here, my presentation. Now we want to create a slide that has a chart. To do so, let's right click in this area to the left and say New Slide. In the new slide that appears, we have several options in the middle. Insert a table, chart, and etc. We want to insert a chart by clicking here. It's going to ask you what type of chart you want to insert. I'm just going to do a regular old bar chart. Now that actually opened up Excel with a default chart. If I change the data here, just put in some data, and then click on the Start button and say Exit Excel. You can see that our chart from Excel has been loaded into the PowerPoint slide. Click on Slideshow and just say From the Beginning. There's our chart. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to add a chart to a PowerPoint slide.